Hey loves, good morning. Okay, loves. Today we're gonna be tapping in for the last of the earth signs for the Capricorns. So Capricorns, I'm gonna be tapping in for you and seeing what your daily rundown is. As I was cleaning the cards, I did receive some messages in regards to someone that is going through some type of court situation. I do not know if this is in regards to someone. No. Let me rephrase that. This is in regards to someone who lied to the court system or lied on a stand in regards to you. It's either lie that you did something. Okay, so I'm picking up quite a few energies. One is going to be for someone that you was with a young lady, and you and this young lady were about to have sex. Okay, this is a young male and a young female, and the young female actually got mad because she was so used to, getting what she want, but she actually lied and said that you attempted to rape her, and she lied on this stand. Okay, I do feel like you're either you're in prison or you're out on bail, and what I'm picking up is that there's somebody that this young lady divulged the truth to, and she feel like people are going to judge her for what she's done. Okay, this person is actually going to come forward. Okay, and I feel like what I'm picking up as well is that there was going to be, you're going to think it's going to go one way because you feel like the judge is going to believe her over you. I do feel like the plaintiff and your side, the defendant, I just feel like both know that this young lady is lying, but they're trying to figure out how can they get her to tell the truth. Okay, something's going to work in your favor, young man, because as I was shuffling on my deck, cleansing them, Spirit did have unexpected income, mature man, and courthouse. And I did receive sorrow, that you're really just thrown off, like in shock that this young lady would stoop that low just because you chose not to be intimate with her. And it wasn't that you wasn't attracted to her. It wasn't that you didn't want her. It was more of out of respect, you wanted her to learn to love herself. This young lady's been through something that you know nothing of, and that's her way of coping with things. It's not an excuse for her being dishonest about what did not take place and ruining your reputation, but everyone is going to see this young lady for the person that she is. Now, courthouse and mature man, you're a very mature young man. You have an old soul. I do feel like you have a grandpa who passed away. Could have had a lot of gray hair, like salt and pepper hair, very fit. He could have been a health conscious individual. This could be you as well that I'm picking up. But I also picked up that this person taught you to respect women, never to disrespect a woman, never to hit a woman, never to cheat on a woman, never to belittle a woman. So he just instilled in you really great qualities to become a good man and a good husband when you were ready to settle down and get married. Now, courthouse was in reverse. You're going to expect something not to go in your favor, but it's actually going to go in your favor. And Spirit was leading me to let you know why it's going to go in your favor. It's because of the individual that she divulged the truth to. This person is actually going to come to your aid. They're going to bring this person in at the last minute before closing arguments. And you're going to feel like it's going to come in, go against you, because you're going to be in such great despair. Your family going to be in despair. You're going to be thinking you have to go and be put as a registered sex offender. I'm also picking up that you're terrified that you're going to have to do a stretch there. Okay, because they are thinking about sending you to another location, facility. I'm also picking up for someone who's going to be going through another. This is a totally different energy, another legality, and you're trying to build something and things are not going. I feel like you purchased a huge product of something, and I'm picking up this could be weed. I don't know if you're trying to start a dispensary, but the product is not good product. And now you need funds to recoup that. I do feel that you're going to get unexpected income that's going to actually help you. Okay, Spirit, is there any more? That's just for my Capricorn. Daily rundown, please. Capricorn daily rundown, Spirit. Oh, thank you. Yeah, have hope. Spirit is telling you to have hope, because you will get this unexpected income. I feel like you could be a redhead, but the unexpected income will come for you, okay? Don't worry about it. You're going to be fine. It actually wasn't meant for you to get your product from this particular individual. Don't use them again, no matter how much of a deal they're willing to give you. You were meant to get a different vendor. Work with a different vendor. The product is better. It's what I'm picking up. Yeah. You're pretty depressed, but I'm telling you, everything's going to work out in your favor, whoever this individual is. I feel like you're very creative too with flavors. Your competitors, a lot of their clientele is going to come towards you because they're going to hear through the grapevine. Yeah, I told you. You're going to have great fortune. You're very, very creative. I feel like you're going to have multiple dispensaries in different locations, different parts of the city. Yeah, see? Great fortune, money is going to come in consistent. And I also feel like you're trying to save to purchase a home. So you're going to be fine, wherever you are. And I'm picking up a feminine energy for this too as well. So have faith in yourself. Everything is going to work out in your favor. Okay? Don't worry about it. Anything else for the Capricorn daily rundown, Spirit? Thank you. Wow. Yeah. Okay, Spirit is having me tap back into the individual who could be out on bail. They're telling you to have hope, sweetie. Everything's going to work out in your favor. You're feeling like you can't go to prison. You can't deal with that. You've been hearing a lot of things in regards to prison, how they're raping fresh meat, is what I'm hearing. Don't worry about it. You're going to work. Everything's going to work out in your favor. Now they're jumping back to this merchant, this individual. You're going to have a lot. You're going to actually open up another location as well for the young lady. This is back to the young lady. You're very, not only creative, you're very, very intelligent. You're very smart. You could be a Gemini, Libra, or Aquarius as well, as what I'm picking up. You know how to, you got power within your tongue. You're a good saleswoman. Now, there will be some hiccups for you, young lady, but everything's going to, it's like you got to tweak things here and there. You're going to make some bad choices, but it's for you to be pushed to another direction, to put in more creativity, also to start another business as well. So I do feel like you're becoming like a millionaire, to be honest. Yeah, you have a lot of thoughts, a lot of creativity that's coming through. I also feel, I feel like somebody's trying to tell you what to do. This could be a mother or a father that's trying to give you some ideas. I do feel like someone's sitting at a desk writing down different things that they can do, different services that you can offer. This is is for that feminine energy. When I say you're going to be in the green when it comes to finances, and in the black when it comes to credit cards. I also feel like you're going to find a love interest too. I also feel that picking up that someone's former love interest will be returning to you, offering you some advice. I'm just keeping it real too. I just heard someone's going to be selling cocaine. Or someone's going to, old love is going to come towards you and ask you, do you want to get into that? I wouldn't do that. You're going to mess everything you worked hard for. Yeah, don't do that. You're going to make the wrong decision, and what's going to happen is you're going to lose everything. Don't. This is a friend who doesn't care. They just want to use you for the finances because you're making money. Okay, love? To the young lady. Give me a moment, guys. What is today? Hold on. Oh, hold on. Let me see. Sorry about that. Okay, let's see. Someone, parent or father was a priest. I'm also picking up someone will be going to a doctor or has a doctor appointment. Spirit, what's up with this doctor appointment? What's up with this doctor's appointment, please? Be careful who you tell your personal business to and what you're deleting off your phone. I feel like someone's going to try to recoup. Did I say recoup? They're going to try and get something out of your phone to see what you're deleting. What is this in regards to this doctor's appointment? I don't usually have to clarify. I already know pretty much what this is going to be about. But I'm also picking up that someone's going to find out that they have a tumor near, I just heard temple area. Someone is very insecure or jealous of their friend as well. This person is actually, yeah, he got a deleted message again in karma. So someone did something that they're not proud of, okay? In regards to, you're going to be receiving karma. You're very angry. I'm also picking up that someone's going to be coming into you guys' energy. That's not going to do anything but drain your energy. They're like energy vampires. I just heard someone's going to be stalking someone due to their insecurities. Some of you are going to be struggling with a lot of mental breakdown in regards to someone stalking you, harassing you. Now, this can be at work, but this can also be friends or enemies that are actually just envious of you. What is this denial about here? Someone wants to get a tarot reading or has received a tarot reading, and this reader told you the truth about what's taking place or what a potential outcome could be. In regards to an envious individual that's in your energy, but you don't want to believe them, I suggest you be careful. In regards to a friend who's put on a facade, I also feel like I have a tarot reader that's going to be viewing this. You need to be very careful as well. You do have other competition that could be doing some type of magic on you, trying to block your business in regards to, a lot of them have really bad intentions. I'm picking up 5 individuals. Some of them could be trying to hack into your account. I did just pick up that these people are going to be going to jail for that as well. These are karmics. These other tarot readers are karmics. They're going to be making some type of threats against you. Yeah, they're using root work to actually block you, block your business. They all have bad intentions, but don't worry about it. Spirit's going to make sure their karma will be going to prison, every single one of them. I'm also picking up that it is 5 of them, but there's, and 4 for some of you, but there's going to be a 6th person that's going to get involved. Somebody's going to break though. These people are so envious and jealous of you, whoever you are. They're trying to break you, but you're highly protected. These people are so, look at this. I don't like using the word attention whore, but they're very obsessive with you. Look at this. It's like they feel like they're going to get you one way or the other, but they're not. The Most High has the last say so on anything. And a lot of them are doing protection spells. They think they're protected, but they're not. Yeah, look at that. Playing a lot of games. Their intentions is to take you down, but they're not going to succeed in doing so. Yes, Capricorn. Woo-hoo. Look, they're trying to block your path. What else you have for my Capricorn daily rundown, Spirit? Excuse me, love. What else? Okay, thank you. Someone thought that they were going to lose their child. I do have, there's going to be some type of major change in regards to a loss of a child through the court system, is what I'm picking up. And someone's child is ill. I just heard with cancer. I do feel that this could be same sex for some reason or another. That's what I'm picking up from Spirit. Yeah, you guys going to get some type of message. It's some type of cancer. This could be someone who thought that they couldn't have kids. I do feel like someone's trying to get pregnant because they need, I'm not good with like the cells or something like that that can help this child sickness. Excuse me, loves. Yeah, someone's child struggling with cancer. And you recently just found this out, you and your partner. I do like, also I'm picking up that someone's going to be receiving some type of gift from a very wealthy, prestigious individual. They will be reaching out to you. This could have been someone who's come up in life, who actually been through a lot of struggles with you. They're working very hard to come towards you and to show you that they've changed. So this could be someone that hurt you in the past when you were younger, in and out of juvie is what I'm hearing. I do feel like you guys are twin flames, but you guys chose another path. For some, you could have thought this was your twin flame, but they were not. You guys just had a spiritual connection with one another. It was meant for you guys to be or cross one another path. I do feel also that someone's going to be suing the judicial system for false allegations or false imprisonment, and you're going to get a lot of money in regards to this too. I'm also picking up again about this young lady who falsified that, stated that she was raped, or that this gentleman attempted to rape her. I feel like the judge is going to actually go to look at her and make her do some time. I kid you not. Like, this is one of them type of lawyers. I'm sorry, not lawyers. Don't give me the line. This is one of them type of judges that do not like people falsifying and using the system. This judge is going to throw the book at this young lady, and however time you did spend in jail, this young lady is going to spend the same amount of time and then some. I feel like this young lady was the type that she could have indeed been raped or molested. You may know of this, and this could be from more than one person. You may know of this, okay? I do feel like this person was molested by their father, and their mother could have passed away. Someone is out here having sex for money to pay their bills. It's like you lost all faith in yourself. You feel like there's no balance in your life. Like you'll never have balance. You'll never find a good husband. That's not true. You're actually going to find someone. I just keep feeling like you felt like everyone stabbed you in the back. Everybody was talking badly about you, spreading a lot of gossip. Some things from your past that were not true, but some that were indeed true. And you just want people to see you in a different light. I feel like also what I'm picking up is that the universe is trying to gift you something. They just want you to step out on faith and believe in yourself and not worry about what other people think and what they're saying about you. I'm also picking up prep. I just heard prep, that you're being prepped for something, to birth something. Also picking up that you could be thinking about becoming a social worker for the younger youths in your neighborhood, in your community. I do feel like they're prepping you for this. They want you to go to school for this. They want you to get a degree in this. To bring justice to young ladies who have no justice. But I also keep picking up, not only are you going to get a degree as some type of counselor or psychiatrist, I feel like you're going to do something with law. You may be actually thinking about this as well. You're tired of young ladies not getting the justice that they deserve. You want people to feel like you don't have to take medication for everything. Also, I'm picking this up for someone. I don't know who this is for. And you don't want them to feel like they have to battle with themselves. This could be a Leo. There could be some type of confrontation in regards to two lovers. What is this about in regards to this two lovers spirit? Marriage. Somebody wants to get married, the other one do not. Y'all been together for what I'm hearing 5 years or more, or under 5 years. Yeah, somebody wants to get married and someone does not want to get married. Somebody either got a venue or something like that, and you can tell that someone's trying to pull back from that. You spent money on this venue and ready to spend more for the honeymoon, the wedding itself. But I feel like this person was just having a little jitters. You guys will get married, whoever you are. Then your faith is actually going to be restored. This could be fire signs, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. I'm also picking up Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio. And someone could be a Libra as well. I feel like you're like literally going crazy trying to get things the way your partner, soon-to-be wife or soon-to-be husband wants, just to make them happy. You're making a lot of decisions you feel on your own and hoping everything goes well. Y'all could have purple or some type of lilac. I don't know why I'm here entourage, but in your the theme, the color theme, gold and purple, or gold and blue. Sometimes you feel like, should I just walk away? But I feel like someone, oh, you guys also need to be careful because I feel like another ex-lover is going to come and try to break up your wedding. I feel like somebody's about to get clarity. What is this clarity in regards to? Someone's going to bare their soul to someone in regards to what they've done. I'm picking up a third party. Let's say somebody has sex with somebody, or you use some funds to help somebody too. But I don't think this person's going to care. They're not going to give two fucks about that. Yeah. Somebody had sex with their boss too for money. Somebody, how should I say, someone feels bad about risking their family for a piece of money. And I heard for a piece of ass also. Yeah, somebody messed with their boss. I'm also hearing from more hours to buy someone a ring and get a hookup. Somebody's getting a hookup in regards to purchasing a home. I'm also getting somebody's afraid that something's going to get out by someone else. But what's going to happen is that you're going to beat people to the punch and tell them the truth. Because if you don't, it's going to be some type of major tower moment, and this person is not going to want to get married. So whoever you are, you need to come clean about the things that you've done. I think this is going to be it. Hold on, Capricorn, for your daily rundown. Something's going to happen with a business plan. Also getting a business proposal. What's going on with this business proposal? Oh, okay. You're going to receive good news. So whatever it is, Capricorn, for your daily rundown, for those of you who did a business proposal to a bank or an investor, you will receive good news. You could be an Aquarius. So, Cappies, this is all that I have for you guys for your daily rundown. Okay. Love and light to you guys. Please take the time to give your girl a thumbs up, like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Please do not forget to hit that notification bell for future messages. Okay. Also, if you need a reading for yourself, just a little bit of insight and guidance, please email me at spirituallygifted777@gmail.com. Thank you guys so much for visiting the channel. Love and light.